I have one final question for you, and it relates a little bit more to kind of the human aspect here, right? So, you're talking about there's already a labor shortage in many of these centers. In some of the other projects that I work on in my job, there are collaborative robots that are being brought into, say, like manufacturing or food manufacturing industries, and a lot of the operators there, the employees on the ground, are hesitant about having these robotics come in. Are you finding the same thing with the clients that you're working with? Are the employees a little bit hesitant, maybe even scared, thinking that they're going to be replaced completely? I know that you touched on a little bit before that there's still lots of other work that these employees can go and do. But do you have a sense as to how these employees are feeling when the conversation of automation starts to come up?
A little bit. They're just they're not that scared. I don't see this problem so much. It's such a dirty and dull and dangerous job that
Mm-hmm.
these people see that this doesn't make sense, and the idea of collaborative robot in this space doesn't make sense either, um, because it's you cannot you can send a robot in a dusty, a dangerous environment. Why would you put it next to a human? The human will will suffer, will compete with a robot, will inhale dust that the robot doesn't. So
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
this
mm-hmm.
idea of collaborative robot, usually they are slower because they're trying to not to hit anybody around. Um, so I think they will have some application in waste, these collaborative robot. I believe they will, but not for long, because really we put these very high speed robot in cages. We don't want
Yeah,
humans
yeah,
around
yeah.
them. We don't want to design a cabin just for the human next to the robot. Let's use that human to better end. And this, sometimes we get asked is, oh, the robots are stealing these people that have jobs that the people are having difficulties holding or finding. But if you have a bit of empathy for the people that have difficulties in life, don't ask them to sort your trash.
Yeah, yeah.
It doesn't make sense. I mean, if you want to help them, find them a better, find them the guy in the control room, the guy on the loader, the guy on the lift who's moving the bales or moving the material around. Educate them a bit and put them on these positions. Don't put them on the sorting line. Doesn't make any sense.
Right, right.